Okay, world, how to cook a lobster tail in 60 seconds. You put it in a cup, little 1.8 ounce, it's a 1.8 ounce or 2 ounce lobster tail. Just put it in the microwave, nuke it up 30 seconds, then 30 seconds again, and she's done. Put a cube of butter in another cup. All you need is the lobster tail in a cup in a microwave. Put a cube of butter in a plastic cup. Microwave it for 1 minute. Same with the lobster tail, 30 seconds and then 30 seconds again. Lobster tail's done. Split the lobster tail open with a pair of scissors, throw it on a plate, and enjoy. It's a lobster tail in 2 minutes. Lobster in 2 minutes. Enjoy. Take care. Click like on the video and subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Yeah, this is how you cut it. Use the scissors. Start from the front and go to the back. And just split it open and pull the tail out. Okay. That's what you end up with, is a nice little lobster tail. Nice little hunk of lobster. Dip it in the butter and enjoy. Damn, that was good. Got them for they were on sale for $3.99 a pound at Ralph's. I scored. They were like 2 ounces each, so like 0.18 ounces each. So I got like 9 of them for $4. So sweet.